Okay, girl. Oh no! No, they didn't! Oh my god. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Izzy. If you're new here, welcome. If you're around for a while, then welcome back. I'm very happy you're here. Today I am going to be watching a few concert fan cams for XG. Thank you so much to one of my viewers for recommending this to me and like giving me the actual links, because I was like, you are amazing. I will put your little picture up here. I really appreciate you. I had seen some like fan cams of the Is This Love choreography on Twitter and it looks so good. I'm so excited to watch it in this format. Like, they're really HD. Like, they're clearer than my future. So I'm gonna start with, they gave me 3 links, so I'm gonna watch all 3 in this video. A ballad version of Puppet Show, which I am so not ready for. Puppet Show is probably one of my favorite XG songs. I don't know what it is about the mix, about the choreo, whatever, but like I am locked in every single time. It's a no skip for me every single time. So to have a ballad version of it, I'm really excited. And then we're gonna be watching Is This Love and In the Rain, which they have props for, and I'm really excited for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the Puppet Show performance first. Thank you so much to Kayla W. Mochi. I don't know if that's how you would say it, but that's how I said it. I'm sorry if that's wrong. So let's go. Oh, okay. It's like jazz. Stop. But she looks so pretty. The way that they do Judy's makeup always blows me away. Oh, she's so cute. That's so nice. Whoever that is right now. The screaming is so real. Ooh. She didn't have to do that, but she did. I'm gathering that it's just gonna be Chisa and Judy for this now that I'm here. Ooh, okay, Kokona. Oh, there we go. Please, her makeup is so pretty. I'm glad they decided to show the other members. I just don't understand. Oh, how cute. I'm blushing. She like that. Welcome to the Puppet Show, where we play it like a dusty doll. I thought that Kokona was holding like a mushroom plushie, but it's actually just like a giant flower around Harvey's wrist. Do you see? Sorry. It's so good. This almost feels like something you could slow dance to it with someone. Just the way that sounds. Okay, girl. Snatched waist. She's so cute. Cute. Honestly, the jazz, the sax for that is so freaking good. The way that they elongated and rearranged elongated the notes, I mean, sorry, and rearranged the song is so satisfying. And like getting to hear the rap line sing is always a treat, but they really went in for this one. And I'm like, girl, there's several parts. Also, can anyone tell me if the cut of that sweater is actually like that? Because I see these artists wear their tour merch for like the ending sections or certain parts of their like performances, and like they make them so cute, but they literally cut into what it's designed like. And I'm like, that's great, but I'm not going to spend $80 on this sweater just to potentially mess it up. Do you know what I mean? And I'm like, I want it to look like that, but then 90% of the time it does not look like that. If it does actually look like that, I want it. I don't think it does. It gets me. She's so beautiful. All the riffing is killing me. Like, I know it's Chisa's moment, but I can't with her. Judia's part gets me even in the original version, and I'm like, it's so good. that edging there at the end, the texture in it is so satisfying. Okay, I'm gonna stop because I rewatched most of it already. I'm gonna move on to Is This Love? It was honestly with the exception of Howling, right? It was like one of my favorite new titles, or not titles. It was one of my favorite tracks from the latest album. It's just so cute, and settings should be good, I hope. I love all the flowers they have in it. These outfits, by the way, are immaculate. Oh, excuse me, ma'am. They're so perfect. That was so cute. That was so freaking cute. They are just such a well-oiled machine. All of that was so fluid. They really just flowed so beautifully into one another. And like everything from the rose getting passed around to this last section where they're literally waving their limbs in order to create shapes together. Oh my god. She's so freaking cute. The rose is her mic. Oh, okay. That's what we're doing. They make themselves look so weightless. It's because they're flying. Because they're aliens. They're not real. All of the flower petals. This is the part that I saw on Twitter, and I was like, oh my god, that's so perfect for it. That was so fast. I love that. I love that so much. I just want to watch it again. Like all of it. I like how the opening is so slow and it really like lures you in. It's so delicate and pretty. There's a lot of like elegant contemporary movement in here, except for that. That was uncalled for, madam. So was that. I love it. I think that is probably one of my favorite lines in the entire song is the swing my way and the I mean what I say, because it's like just the token of honesty, and like there's something so steady about the message that the song conveys, and I'm like they are locked in to whoever you are. They're not going anywhere. So cute. You know what? I think it is. 1000%. That is so beautiful and seamless. This is so uncalled for. Like, I can't even fake it that I'm so focused on Judine for that part, but both Judia and Chisa were eating it up as well. Maya's like our local cool girl. And then there's our lolly. It's crazy. I love it. Honestly, the next time I fall in love with somebody, if flower petals don't rain from the sky, I don't want it. Because it's not real. It's my favorite. 1000%. She eating it up too. Charisma. Me too, dude. Maya, the Riz Queen. She makes me blush. I can't help that. Okay, and then lastly, we're gonna move to In the Rain, which I'm so psyched for because they have umbrellas. It's important to the plot. All right, let's go. Oh, I love the recording they have back there. That opening's cool. Wait, that note? I like, that was so smooth. You know, there's something about this that kind of gives Smooth Criminal. She's so hot. I don't understand why that's so loud. I'm gonna throw up. It's so good. And all they're doing is swinging around umbrellas. Except it's not all they're doing. They're serving. I'm in love with them. I want to be them. I want to be with them. It's a Delulu thought. No. My audio cut out. Sorry. That's what I get for letting my intrusive thoughts be loud. How am I not supposed to feel that way when they sound like that? Oh my god. Are you guys okay? I'm not. Oh my god, wait, that made me dizzy. The camera movement like that. Oh no. listen, what I love the most about this is that, you know how like for boy groups, if you're into boy groups, whenever there's a sad song, whenever there's heartbreak, what do? They grind and they make it sexy, and that's what they're doing. And I absolutely love it because, yeah, they ate that in every way possible. We're depressed, but we're sexy. How can anyone think about anything when you're doing that? Oh, okay, queen. I love how pointed and elegant and feminine it is. Okay, girl. Oh no! No, they didn't! Oh my god. That's... I have so many emotions. I'm gonna cry and I'm gonna have a tantrum because I am so like happy that I didn't see this live, because I think I would have actually died, but I'm so jealous that I didn't see this live. What is my life? My life is so unfair, but it's also not. My life is so good because here I am. Look at that. They are truly ascending. I'm so happy and so upset all at the same time. That was beautiful. I didn't expect to be so wowed, except I did, except not like that. We're gonna watch it again. I'm gonna watch it again. If you want to hang out, that's fine too. You know how sometimes when you hear something for the first time, the visual experience elevates the song for you? I loved In the Rain when I heard it the first time, and I listen to it occasionally. I love This Is Love. Is This Love? Sorry. More, because it's more my style of music. But this has truly elevated. Can we get a video? I would really love like a dance practice or performance video for this. That would, Simon-san, that would be so great. Pretty please. I'm having one of those moments where it's like, I'm like, there's so much emotion. But I'm monotone, so this is it. Harvey's so perfect. She's like the perfect princess. It's not fair. I didn't expect to be this like about this song specifically. It's not possible. I can move like that. But I think I must leave for my mental health. Okay, I was so locked in earlier. I did not see Amy do that. Miss ma'am. What? I am insane. It's fine. Everything is fine. Whoa. I think I actually would have lost it had I been in that audience. Like, I actually want to cry. I don't know what's wrong with me, to be honest with you. I need to go to bed. I didn't go outside. She said, I don't need you anymore. Bruh. That was an experience. And I'm losing daylight, so if it's dark, I'm sorry, guys. Wow. Just wow. Oh my gosh. I'm fine. Everything is fine. They are so fine. And it's crazy because it's not, I can't fathom the concept that this is what my life is now, but I digress. This is so good. Thanks for sticking it out with me. If you're still here, I love you. Please don't judge me. Oh no, I love them so much. They're so good. Like, it's crazy to me. Wow. It's been one hell of a ride. And I love this for me. I love this for us. So thank you to everyone. I had thoughts. Hold on. Let me collect myself. Okay. There's like a whole outro that I'm supposed to do. Okay. Thanks. Thank you so much to my patrons over on Patreon for watching exclusive content over there with me and supporting me and my channel. I love you guys so much. It really does mean the world to me to get to spend time with you over there every week. And then of course, thank you so much to everyone for coming to watch XG content with me here as well. I always have so much fun with you guys. I love them so much, which is why I'm here and why I'm like this apparently. But please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope that you enjoyed the video because that was one hell of an experience for me. And yeah, I'll be back with more XG stuff later this week, and I'm gonna end the video now. I love you. Bye.